Racing just is started. We have Witness in Manila. Break Wickler stars safety's gold. Moving up now on the outside, all in Zalin Lahi. Then next online Security Pro. Kudos comes next, Wonderlab. Then next online is Sangangdaan. High Earnings, Daredevil, Launlaan. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Harbor Magic. Just in time while Europa is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have Safety's Gold. Kudos is on the outside. Link and Hamper back in third. Comes Salin Lahi, then comes All In. Security Pro. Wonderlab is racing in 6. Rushing up on the outside is Launlaan. Sangangdaan, Witness in Manila. Just in time, High Earnings. Then comes Europa, Daredevil, while Harbor Magic now racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Safety's Goal, Launlaan, Wonderlab, All In right twice now joining them, and as they swing for home, 4 runners firing out for the lead. We have Wonderlab, All In the middle. Safety's Goal is down on the inside. Launlaan is on the outside. We have Wonderlab. Witness in Manila is down on the inside. We have Witness in Manila. Wonderlab, Launlaan, and Paris going to be Witness in Manila. Then comes Wonderlab, Launlaan, All In.
Sabi ko, wag naman dikit-dikit eh. Dikit-dikit.